Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HAON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just makes mapping out and summarizing the price action very straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize today's price action, I would say an absolute pump and dump. And I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of a bunker in North Korea, because I don't know anything about this company. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And just here's a little hint for those of you that are new traders out there. Anybody that's blaming me or some conspiracy about why the price acted the way it did today, they're the ones who were selling. That's just the way it is. Pumpers need to throw other people under the bus so people don't understand that it was actually them dumping. So this will be a good test of that. Let's see who's blaming me. And for you new people, if you want to just kind of understand the game, those are the people that I would bet 9 out of 10 times they were the ones that were dumping shares. And now they're just using me or other market makers or other theories as the scapegoat so that nobody gets angry at them. So what justifies me to say this is a pump and dump though? Well, first off, my definition, price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it was. So let's quickly kind of go through that definition. Where did it all start? Well, for me, it started when the price broke out. And yesterday, 0006 was a very important level of resistance. The price tried to break above there on 5 separate occasions and just couldn't quite do it. So that is why I'm defining that as my starting point where the breakout occurred. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, we just established it started right there at the green line, and then it went all the way up there. I'm hoping we can all agree that that was a really, really nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, I'm hoping we can agree that all this price action did happen in a short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So not only did it go back to where it started, it still went way, way down there. And if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Now, am I saying that the bulls can never, ever put together a good move again? I'm not saying that at all. So another way you could approach this is just saying back to the drawing board for the bulls. But as far as the price movement from this morning was concerned, there was absolutely zero true power behind it, because true power, prices are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were, and that's exactly what happened here. So we'll see if the bulls can put something new together, but as far as today's price action was concerned, there are some pumpers out there, and they were able to dump, and we'll see if anything new can happen or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.